To enable contactless payments on Revolut, start by opening the Revolut app on your mobile device. Ensure you have the latest version of the app to avoid any compatibility issues. First, log into your Revolut account using your username and password or fingerprint if you have set up biometric authentication. Next, navigate to the Cards section of the app, which is usually represented by a card icon. Tap on the card you want to enable contactless payments for. This could be your physical Revolut card or a virtual card. In the card settings, look for the contactless payments option. This option may be listed under the card details or in a separate payments or security section. Toggle the switch next to contactless payments to enable this feature. You may be prompted to confirm this action or enter a password for security purposes. Once contactless payments are enabled, you can use your Revolut card to make payments by tapping your card on a contactless payment terminal. To add an extra layer of security, consider setting a contactless payment limit in the Revolut app. This means you will be required to enter your PIN for transactions exceeding the specified amount. Best practice is to regularly review your account activity and transaction history to detect any suspicious transactions. Enabling contactless payments on Revolut is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these instructions, you can enjoy the convenience of contactless payments while maintaining control over your account. Security. Remember to always keep your Revolut app and mobile device up to date to ensure you have the latest security features and updates. This will help protect your account from potential threats and give you peace of mind when making contactless payments. By enabling contactless payments on Revolut, you can make the most of this convenient payment method while staying in control of your finances.